Hello and welcome to Donohue Explains. It's going to take a look at quantum numbers. So what are they? What are they used for? They're simply used to describe the location of an electron. Like if I was saying, hey, I know nitrogen has a configuration of 2-5, and I was saying one of the electrons in the valence shell, would be like, well, which electron? Quantum numbers are going to tell you exactly which electron you're talking about. So what are they describing? N is simply describing the principal energy level, or the whole number, and it starts at 1. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. L defines the shape of the orbital. It is also the sublevel, like the S, P, D, F, stuff that you guys have seen before. ML is describing the orientation of the orbital in space. It's basically if you're doing the box diagrams, which is there's some horrible boxes right there. This one is going to say which box is it in. Is it in this box? Is it in this box? It's going to tell you which box it's in. And the MS is going to tell you the spin. It's either spin up or spin down. So you're going to know which energy level, and then you're going to know which sublevel. ML is going to tell you which box it's in, and MS is going to tell you is it a spin up or is it a spin down? Which one is that? So what gets what number? So N, if you have S, it's going to be 1. I'm sorry, scratch that. First energy level, 1. Second energy level, 2, so on and so forth. L is going to be, well, if we have S, its number is 0. If we had P, it's going to be 1. D will be 2. F will be 3, and we'll kind of stop there. ML will depend on the box. So if we had P and we had 3 boxes, the middle box is always box 0. To the left, it's -1. To the right, it is +1. It's just like a number line, and that's how you do the numbering. And the spin, it's either going to be up. If it's up, then it's +1/2. And if it's down, then it's -1/2. So why don't we take a look at a couple of examples. So what are the quantum numbers for the last electron in, let's say, nitrogen? Well, nitrogen's 2-5. So I know I'm looking at the second energy level, and it's going to be 2s2 and then 2p3. So I know I'm looking at 3 boxes for the p, right? And there are 3 electrons in there. So I'm going to put up, up, and then up. So I'm looking at that last electron. Well, it is in the second energy level, so N is 2. L is going to tell me that is the P sublevel, so it is 1. ML is going to tell me which box. Remember the 0 is the middle box, so I'm to the right one, like a number line, so it's +1. And S, the spin, is up, so it'll be +1/2. So usually you'll see them written left to right. It'll be 2, 1, +1, and then +1/2. Those would be the 4 quantum numbers for this electron and nitrogen. And that's how you do that. Hope that helps. Okay, bye.